everyone, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have very interesting product to review. If you are in Canada or America, you might be aware about Costco. So it's a place where you get electrics, your grocery, food, everything like pharmacy, few beauty products, everything, like name it and you will get it. I got my hands on very interesting product. It's the Testarossa by Conair. It's the hair dryer. Like this is how it looks like, and it's red in color, so it's really pretty, and it's very affordable. First of all, it's very affordable. So I got it for 29.99 Canadian dollars, and I will try to link it in the description box since this is not much reviewed product, and I wanted to do a video on this. It says that it's 1875 watts and it is powerful AC motor, delivers fast airflow up to 3x longer life. It has active tourmaline ceramic system, 3 heats and 2 speeds, which I will show in the product. And then it has a cold shot button, like if you wave your hair or if you style your hair, like apart from drying, if you style your hair, you have that cold button to save that, like if you are scrunching or if you are using a diffuser, then it's helpful. I'll get back to that point. Then it has this removable rear filter, so it's like the back of the dryer, and then it has hanging ring, plus it comes with 2 attachments. So that is all about the theory of the product. Also it has 85 km/h speed, which sounds funny. And yeah, that is it about the theory, and let's see the product. So I have just saved this product and I used it thrice or 4 times, and then I came up with this video. So yes, so first let's see the product. So this is how the product looks like. The name is written over here, Testarossa, it's written, and here the warning and everything is written. So yes, this is the filter which was mentioned on the box, so you can remove this filter. So this is basically to filter the air, and this is how it looks like from inside. And it has this cold button. So when you are drying or when you are doing your blow dry, you can press this button. It comes with 3 settings, like one is for heat and one is for cold. It comes with 6 settings in all, like 3 is for heat, 3 is for cold, and you can adjust it with the way you like it. Let me know if you want to see the demo of this, like blow drying with this. Let me know if you want that video. So talking about the attachments, it comes with this attachment. So this is meant to blow dry your hair and give the in-turn look or out-turn using a round paddle comb or something like that, if that makes sense. So it's for that, and this is attachment. So this is how you fit it, like you do it this way and you push it. So that's how it's locked, and you can work with this. It's meant to rotate, so like if you are using it this way, so you can do it this, and you can even do it like this. So it's that. And the second attachment, which I have seen very rare in few blow dryers, like I used to have 2-3 more blow dryers, but it came only with this nozzle or this attachment. So it has this diffuser. So this is what attracted me to this product. This is meant to curl and dry your wet hair. So it's very easy for people who have curly hair. but it is very good for the people who are having straight hair. Like these are my natural straight hair, so it is very good for them to, you know, give a beachy waves. So basically this is to dry and curl your hair at a time. So firstly, you don't need two products for curl and dry, and then if you have this, you can even straighten your hair. You can give the straight look, like not the flat iron look, but you can straighten or, you know, make your hair manageable with this. So it's a multi-purpose product. And if you want to see the demo of this, let me know. I would love to do the video. So I would like to talk about pros and cons. So first pro is it's available online and offline. Then second pro is it's very affordable. Third pro is it's very handy. It's not very heavy, like it's okay. Fourth pro is it comes with this sort of thing to, you know, fold your wire. Fifth pro is that it has this ring so that you can hang it in your bathroom. Like if you have plug near your bathroom or near your area where you get ready, so you can just plug it and then hang it. Yeah, that is it. And it cools down really soon after you use it. The con is, the only negative thing is that the size, like it's not too small, it's not too big, but I don't think it's a travel friendly product. I would rather carry my flat iron with me, and I wouldn't carry this because flat iron is very easy to store. Like you have this case and you just fold it and store it. That's a whole different story. But I think this is not a travel friendly product for me. It's like pros are many and cons are less. So yes, it's a great purchase for me, and I am looking forward to use it more and more. And I'll come up with the demo video if you are really interested in to see the demo of this dryer, hair dryer basically, or blow dryer. So let me know in the comment section if you want to see the demo. And yes, by that we are ending this video. So thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I am very close to 500 subscribers, so it would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel and keep watching my videos. Bye.